Let's quickly talk about Doba. So, is it still worth it when it comes to joining like Doba nowadays? I mean, they talk a lot about Doba's pros and cons, and so the question is it still worth it? Let me quickly give you a review here or just an overview first. So, what is Doba? So, Doba is really a sourcing directory and online store integration specializing in dropshipping. So, this is kind of important to really think about it. So, Doba is basically your middleman that connects dropshipping suppliers with aspiring retailers like you. And Doba also provides you with the technology to list and sell items on a range of e-commerce platforms: Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, and so on and so forth. Okay, so if you want to sell goods online, but you don't want a household or a warehouse full of packages that need to be shipped out, dropshipping may be a great solution for you. And so having a supplier or a platform such as Doba can really help you a lot. So Doba has an impressive selection of products to choose from, all of which you can import into your online store ASAP. So when we talk about online store, we're speaking about either your online store housed on an e-commerce platform such as Shopify, Big Cartel, Wix, GoDaddy.com, or on an e-commerce marketplace. So eBay, Amazon, Etsy, or So I just want to give you a picture so you have a clear idea what we're speaking about. Now remember that when we talk about dropshipping, you are actually taking care of the front office. Think about the sales, think about the marketing, think about you think about the front office and the back office. The dropshipping supplier takes care of the middle office. So everything about manufacturing, shipping, they take care of that. But you got to take care of the back office in terms of customer service. Very important, because if you mess that up, this is actually your store that's going to suffer. Okay. So Doba helps you gives you actually the platform that you need to get everything together. So when a customer places an order or when a customer comes to your site and makes a purchase, Doba notifies the supplier and only sends out the products ordered. Okay, so Doba allows you to source products individually without having to spend money on bulk purchases, and this is important. And so Doba will actually take care of everything and making sure that you are only selling products that customers are ordering. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. We're gonna have a quick convo, or let's say an in-depth convo about Doba today. Let me talk to you about the features here. So when we talk about Doba, what are the best features in our view here? So first of all, you have a direct integration into your online store. So this is really great. So Doba is connecting directly to your store on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, or on your store on Shopify, on Big Cartel, on WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and so on and so forth. This is really great. And so when you think about Doba, there's no need to store or ship your products, okay? Because Doba will integrate with your online store, but it also has the unique advantage of actually storing, packaging, and shipping your products. This is really the beauty of Doba dropshipping and dropshipping in general, because it is a system where the supplier is responsible for all the production logistics, right? Your main focus is to run an effective online store and market the products so that both you and the supplier get more sales. So this is kind of cool. And so with the direct integration to your website and all the storage, packaging, and shipping being handled by Doba, it makes for a fluid process and leaves you open to expand your store to the best of your ability. And you also have advanced searching and filtering through Doba. This is really great because you're able to go granular on certain products or certain niches, on certain verticals, on certain horizontals. It really depends on what you're looking for. So we're speaking here about advanced filtering. And so you can actually, let's say if you want to sell women apparel, for instance, you can go granular. You can say, you know what, I want women that are like young women or adults or teenagers and so on and so forth. You have proactive inventory alerts. So the inventory alerts are set by you. And so you basically will get alerts when your criteria are met. You have bulk inventory exporting. This is kind of cool. You have daily data reports with full customization. Everything depends on how you set things up though. You also have the elite seller reports. This is really cool. You have training and seasonal discounts from suppliers. So depending on the kind of niche you're in, You have a scorecard for all suppliers. So this is really great. And you also have, so when you think about Doba, think about a curated list of high margin products that you actually can get access to. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a Doba review. This is a comparative analysis of Doba in terms of features, pros, cons, pricing, everything. Let's talk about the process here. So how does Doba work? So with Doba, basically, first of all, you got to sign up, right? You got to sign up. You register, you put your first name, last name, blah, blah, blah. Pretty straightforward. And so you are able to find products and suppliers. So there are 3 ways to browse potential products and suppliers on the new Doba website. So you can actually, you can go like through your dashboard. You can go to the site itself, and you can actually just click on Doba's product catalog in the search product tab, and by selecting which category of products you're interested in. So this is kind of cool. And you can actually keep an eye on inventory. So you can see, it really depends on the niche you're in, but you have the ability to track certain kinds of inventory. If you want to export product data, you can certainly do that. So Doba allows you to export product information from your inventory list into a zip file so you can access it offline or add it to a spreadsheet. So it's very easy to do this by selecting each product you want to download individually. Otherwise, you can select all, and then download a zip file containing information about all the products in your inventory list. So the download button is easy to locate to the far right of each product on your list, or when you multi-select products, you can find the download all button at the top of the list. So this is kind of cool. And what we love about this is that let's say if you export the data to a spreadsheet, for instance, you can compare information to the columns easily, which may be useful if you are deciding which products to go with, if you can look at this versus the out of range, when it comes to similar ones provided by different suppliers. So again, the analysis here is really great. And also Doba helps you in terms of keeping track of orders. So there's also an area for keeping track of the details of your orders, including the order status, dates, suppliers, buyers, locations, and amounts. So this is really, really fantastic, and it really helps also in terms of the analysis. Let me talk to you about the pros and cons here. So when we talk about Doba, what are the pros and cons? Let's first start with the pros. The platform is very easy to navigate. We love that. So from a UX and UI perspective, fantastic. It's easy to customize your own inventories for quick reference. You have the option to export product data into various file formats. So it becomes easier to upload product information quickly into marketplaces such as Amazon or your own online store. So it's really important when you think about Doba, think about a site that's very easy to navigate and understand. Everything is user-friendly and efficient. You have educational resources that mean you can learn how to grow fast. You have dropshipping service and business tools are included. Lessons available on how to export data. You have hundreds of shopping cart options to choose from. It's very easy to customize your inventory for quick reference. I want to really insist on that because this will save you a lot of time down the road. You have low inventory alerts that stops you from overselling. You have a free trial that makes it easy to test the waters before you invest. And there's a phone number available for customer support, which is really rare in this industry. Okay. And let me quickly talk to you about the cons here. It is a membership site. So becoming a member is not cheap. Doba is one of the more expensive options for dropshippers. Money back guarantee is difficult to claim. Products are expensive and difficult to compete with on marketplaces. Not everyone has the best opinion of Doba. So just think about it. Membership is not really cheap. Okay. And you also have a lengthy returns process. So there are unclear returns processes outlined on Doba's site, and many suppliers who do accept returns appear to charge a restocking fee that can be up to 20% of the price. And so this is really something to think about. But overall, Doba is really great. They just have to work on some of the negative reviews that we have seen online. So, the general online opinion of Doba is not really that favorable. So it is what it is. And yeah. But by the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. we're having a conversation about Doba. So this is an in-depth Doba review. I'm giving you a comparative study of Doba. We're looking at the features, we're looking at the pros and cons, we're looking at the pricing, and so on and so forth. I want to talk to you about pricing now. So I want you to look right now on the screen here. So you can see that with Doba, you have 4 types of pricing plans, right? As of the date of the show, you have a free trial. That's a 30-day free trial. It will cost you nothing. Then you have the for the startup. So the free trial is actually billed on a monthly basis. For the startup, you are billed on a quarterly basis. It will cost you $25 every month. And if you are looking for the business sort of plan, this is billed annually. So this is the most popular according to Doba, but also based on our analysis. So this will cost you about $50 a month. And then you have the enterprise plan that will cost you $300 a month. Okay. And so this is actually a billed on a monthly basis, the enterprise plan. So it's important to really understand that. So when we talk about the basic, you have access to millions of products in the marketplace, access to hundreds of suppliers, a community Q&A, and you have Doba deals in a weekly email, live training webinars, and email support. So that's for basic. Okay. Then you have advanced. The advanced is the startup. So that's the startup. And basically you have like $24.99 for everything that you have to pay. The good thing is you have everything in the basic, and then you have more. You have elite seller reports and live chat support. And then you have the business plan. So the business plan is kind of cool also because you have everything in the previous plans, but you also have Amazon data export, batch order upload, custom data export, street price data. This is really cool. And direct phone support. And then you have the enterprise plan. So this will cost you $300 as of the date of this show. And so for this plan, you have to contact Doba for custom rates, but it has some interesting features like the API integration, shared FTP data transfers. You have a lower per order fee, unlimited exports, a dedicated client success manager, and merchandising services. So this is kind of cool. One thing I want to say here is that when you think about Doba, I want you to think about the ability to test the platform for 30 days. So a 30-day free trial is available for you to test out. However, Doba does pull that old move of asking for your credit card to gain access to the free email. Then it has a disclaimer that says it's mainly to help service customers better, which we all know is nonsense. Okay, so it is what it is. And so just make sure that if you test them out, that you are able to cancel it within 30 days if you don't intend to use the service. Let's quickly talk about client reviews here. So the thing is, we really want to have a clear idea. I mean, Doba is, it's a great platform, but online, their reputation is really less than stellar. Okay, so the general opinion, the first general opinion is that Doba prices are too high, which makes it difficult to compete with prices on eBay and Amazon, or to make a profit for that matter, because basically you're just paying like the cost is just too high. You can't really. So if you are thinking about using Doba, just think about the fact that their prices are just way high, and it might be a little hard to eke out a profit here. And so people are a little pissed off about that because they say that their wholesale prices are too high, not competitive at all. Okay, so be aware of that. The second general opinion about Doba is that the customer service is lacking. Now, even though they give you access to a phone number, you do not have like a proper process in place, a proper pattern in place to take care of customer service. So there were actually various complaints about Doba's customer service found on many platforms. I'm speaking about Trustpilot, speaking about Triple B, Better Business Bureau, and so it is what it is. And another opinion that we found pretty interesting is that many have claimed that they have been charged during the free trial period, and that's extremely difficult to cancel. Now, we haven't actually seen this ourselves, but we have heard this also from other people personally. And our team members also have heard this. And it's really dishonest if Doba is playing that game here, because if Doba is telling you, hey, listen, the credit card that you are giving us, this is only for canceling purpose, like it's for customer service. If they play that game and they're not making it easier to cancel, then it's really not a good thing. So Doba, if you're listening to this show, you better really stop that practice, because it's really not helping you at all. It's really lowering your credibility. Okay, so and it's not really helping you. When you really think about it, it's not really helping you. And the general opinion number 4 is that people have commented on problems with listed inventory inaccuracy and order fulfillment. So when you think about Doba, you have to think about the fact that there could be some problems with listed inventory for you, that listed inventory being accurate, and also your order fulfillment. This could be a problem there as well. So you got to really ask yourself what really matters to you, but also really matters to your potential customers. So here is the decision for you. So who is Doba for? The thing here is that Doba is probably best for you if you are someone who's experienced at dropshipping but time poor. In other words, you're just looking for something real quick of high quality. And the thing is that you have to really very sure about what you're doing. If you don't have a lot of confidence or experience with dropshipping, launching straight into or using a company with a high membership fee and prices that can't compete in major marketplaces is really quite a risk in our view. So if you're a newbie out there, even if you have less than 2 years of experience in dropshipping, do not go for Doba, because it's just not worth it. Okay, it's not worth it. You can't compete. You have no experience. You have no acumen in how to actually work with other players on eBay, on Amazon, and you will find the whole process very difficult. Now, what we have found in our research is that Doba's strengths are in its usability and the ease of exporting product information. So if you are confident that you can make enough from these products to make a decent profit, then Doba might be a viable option for you to consider. And so this is really good. And one thing I want to say here is that if you don't choose Doba, there are other players in the industry. Doba is not the only one. You have Spockets, you have Modelist, you have Deezers, okay? And so you have a lot of players. So Doba is not, you have Silhu, for that matter. And so it's really, so you have a lot of players. It's all about what really works for you. So Doba, in our view, is a powerful tool for dropshippers who want to sell product fast. If you want to sell products fast, this is really cool. If you are a marketer with lots of experience, but don't have much time to build a company online, then Doba products could be right for you. To be successful with Doba, though, you will need to know the basics about wholesale prices and how to encourage sales through the right shopping carts. And it is not a straightforward process. It takes some time and it takes some acumen. It takes some experience also. All right, let's quickly do a recap here. So I'll just give you an in-depth review of Doba into this conversation. So I spoke to you about, I give you the overview, the features, the process. I spoke about the pros and cons, the pricing, client reviews, and now I just gave you the decision. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.